Hello guys, I'm back today. Yeah, in case you guys are wondering if I have Minecraft, I have it. It is right here. Here's my account. So, what should I do, guys? Comment down in the section below if you see this video. Comment down in the section below what I should play on Roblox or Minecraft. And here are the games that comment I could play. And I will check the video shortly. So yeah, just comment down below. This will be a short video. So do that. And if you haven't already subscribed, then subscribe now. If you haven't liked, you can like now. Or press the notification bell. So comment what you want me to play and I'll do it. So bye.